So JVG, it stands for Jobs for Virginia Graduates. We talk about the different types of colleges, but we kind of just try and set them up for success for after high school in the different pathways. We also do mock interviews, so the kids practice. We do a lot of project-based learning. We do a lot of teamwork, lots of field trips.
I just think that this class overall is very helpful for any individual, whether it's wanting to go to college, trade school, or going right into the workforce. Ms. Broady definitely has a lot of different connections that can set you up for success.
My goal for the future after graduation is to attend a college, a four-year one. JVG has really helped me into finding that interest through helping me narrow down colleges and seeing what I like, what works for me, and what does not.
We also talk about professional attire. We actually go to Macy's and Men's Warehouse and do a whole session there, learning what it looks like to be professionally dressed. But it's really kind of whatever the class wants to make it while we hit those national standards as well.
It was pretty hard when I was in high school. I wasn't really much involved with school. When arriving for JVG, some things that taught me was comfort zone, going after goals, grew self-confidence, allowed me to try hard things, taught me to believe in myself.
I think that JVG is a really important and a really fun class. It's really beneficial, and I think a lot of people would improve from it.